Welcome to Little Flower International School Mau, where every moment is an opportunity to inspire, learn and grow. But education is about more than just academics. At LFIS, we believe in nurturing the whole child. From sports, judo, karate, English communication, arts, dance, instruments, skating, horse riding, swimming to community service and leadership opportunities, our extensive extracurricular programs ensure that students have the chance to explore their interests and passions outside the classroom. Behind every successful school is a dedicated management team and a visionary leader. At LFIS, our management works tirelessly to ensure the smooth functioning of the school, while our esteemed principal, Mrs. Zita Lecture, leads with passion and commitment.
Hello everyone, I'm Gitika Tripathi from Little Flower International School, Khalispur, Mau. If I have to summarize my experience in 3 words, it would be emotional, supportive and appreciative. I have been in this school since 2020, so I can say that I have seen this school growing from brick to brick, child to child and milestone to another milestone. The supportive management, staff, eager students and dynamic curriculum have fostered an environment where learning flourishes and creativity intrigues. It's a privilege to be a part of such an educational community. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rakshita Gupta from class 6. Little Flower International School has been truly transformative experience for me. From the engaging classes that challenge me to think critically to the supportive community that feels like a second family. Every day is a new opportunities for learning and growth. It is fun to be in this school. Thank you.